In Trade Manager for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, you can save ready-made configuration templates. This allows you to quickly switch between strategies without wasting time or making mistakes. To create a new settings template, open the Trade Manager panel and set the parameters according to your strategy. In this example, we'll prepare a scalping template for the pound to dollar pair. We set a stop loss of 5 pips and a take profit of 5 pips, giving us a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:1. We enable automatic lot size calculation and set the risk per trade to 1%. We also add a trade comment labeled scalping. Next, we click the disk icon in the left menu to save the settings. In the Save window, we enter a unique name, for example, Scalping GBPUSD, and confirm by clicking OK. Now let's create a second template for a swing trading strategy. We set a stop loss of 25 pips and a risk-to-reward ratio of 2:1. The risk is increased to 2%. We add the comment swing to the trade to mark the strategy. We click the disk icon again and save the template under the name Swing Trading. Then we confirm by clicking OK. To manage your saved templates, click the folder icon. This opens a list of all saved configurations. You can add any template to your favorites by clicking the star icon. Favorite templates will appear at the top of the list in alphabetical order. You can also rename a template by clicking the pencil icon. In the new window, enter the new name and confirm by clicking OK. If you want to delete a template, click the red X icon. The program will ask for confirmation before deletion. Proceed only if you are sure. We now select the saved template, Scalping GBPUSD, and place an order. Trade Manager automatically loads all the predefined settings. The trade is marked with the scalping label. Next, we want to place a second order using the swing trading strategy. We open the templates and select the saved swing trading template. As we can see, a different set of parameters is loaded. Now we can plan a pending order and place it elsewhere on the chart. Trade Manager MT5 also lets you link a settings template to a chart template. For example, we create a typical configuration for the pound to dollar pair. We set the stop loss to 30 pips, take profit also to 30 pips, and the risk to 0.5%. We save this template under the name GBPUSD set. Then we click the Trade Manager icon in the top right corner of the chart to open the standard settings window. In the Trade Param section, in the field Default Settings Template, we enter the name GBPUSD set and click OK to confirm. The next step is to save the entire chart template. Right-click anywhere on the chart, choose Templates, then Save Template. Enter a name, for example, GBPUSD template, and save. Now let's check the result. We open a new pound to dollar chart and load the saved chart template. We can see that not only the chart layout has loaded, but also the Trade Manager has appeared with all the settings we previously saved. Templates in Trade Manager for MT4 and MT5 help you save time and reduce the risk of errors. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel.